washed up, don't want to believe it. Tough love, you take it or leave it. Washed up, don't want to believe it. Tough love, you take it or leave it.
Good morning.
Morning, guys.
It's first morning up
Not first morning up. Who first?
at home.
It's her. Yeah, at home. First. I think it's her
Yeah.
second morning.
Yeah,
In general.
second morning in general. So you're gonna take me outside to get your sunbath,
So wait, the lady said no to take out the
clothes.
clothes out or go with mosquitoes.
Find them off. Don't let the mosquito out there now.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna cook on. Oh, you see that?
Yeah.
So you have to undress her though.
Just left her in a diaper. What the sun now to do it?
I want to go with Danny. Him never come back for you. Back. Oh, him come back.
When?
In the
Oh no,
night.
no come back. Yeah guys, I ran out to sleep in my room. He came one time. He come and said, Daddy, you say I go drop asleep with me. And I go over there, go lay down side him. But even me that come out, him see me I come out and listen. I never tired him too tired, but he slept in his room.
But before going to sleep, he said like, Daddy, you know that I will come back. Oh, no, he said to me, I will come back in the night. He said, but I said to him, but me I sleeping, you will be sleeping alone. So he said nothing, but then he told me that he will come back in the night.
Come once
He will
more.
come back in the night, but never came. Alright, let's go. So, you want me to find?
No, but we listen to this. Swaggy,
See the sun.
see something? Yeah, let's go. And watch out for the mosquitoes don't come. Okay. Careful, man.
Where is the fan?
In the pocket.
Okay. Oh, look at the sun.
Yeah, look at some. So the doctor say, this is 5, it's now like 10 after 6.
What? It's like,
10 after 6
what does that mean?
in the morning. So that's what I say. So this is the kind of sun, I guess it's not supposed to be like hot sun.
No.
It's supposed to just be rays around the sun.
This
Please.
is the sun at all. But you come see behind the
Banana tree.
banana tree.
Sleep.
She's such a nice baby. She didn't bother me at all.
Yeah, I mean, you're, she not come like Leo and Ronaldo.
No, Danny was good too, you know.
Yeah, that's good. And Leo was the bad.
Yeah, Leo was, but me the truth, me never knew a lot of things with Leo. I did a little sound, me go pick him up and try to make him start even normal sounds we do. But one day, you know, but they're not about to cry. Sometimes I was thinking like he was about to, was a big cry, but you know, sometimes you just have to leave them in the, what's name? Make them do the little sound, baby sounds, you know. And plus I was curious, I was so worried like he didn't know how to stop breathe. And you know, checking everybody. Mother just wakes up for her milk. Thanks God, breastfeeding is good. Mila. 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 Mila.
Okay.
She's sleeping.
Yes. You're sleeping already. I'm gonna go for your injection this morning. I'm gonna stop mosquito.
But one thing about Mira, She's not so hairy like Leo and Danny. Leo and Danny, but they just had a lot of hair. Remember
Yeah, man, even for that same thing.
it has like hair on the body.
Mm-hmm.
Leo has a little bit, not so much.
Even for that head, she don't work here. Yet, they born with full hair. Daniel too? And Daniel was so bad. I think Danny have hair to see me now.
Danny had hair too, yeah. The boys, and they were bigger than
You know,
Mila.
more petite.
It's so easy to change diaper when you have a girl, you know? So you don't have to worry about nothing sprayed on you.
Oh, I can boy them pee pie.
Yeah. Girls, they just lay down and take it easy. The boys, as soon as you open a diaper, splash on your face.
Yeah, see the sun come out again.
Direct me where the sun is.
That me look over the fence, you see. Banana tree, them kind of block it, but it's so compulsive. See a lot on my face, right? So, but me tall, that's why.
Then you can take me if you want to take me.
Yeah.
Your hands are clean.
Yeah, we just take over wash my hand.
First time holding Mila.
She's so delicate.
How does it feel?
Right there.
Don't be afraid. She's good. Oh, she wants to eat. Oh, shh. Alright.
Hey guys, just in the backyard. Finally my cherry tree start beer. My cherry them full of holes. Me the wonder what was running to them. Beer all the cherry them eat up. I wonder why they cause it. Just realized there's some little green bug. Pick a green cherry while I end up kill two of them. Them smell so bad. Does anybody know? Let's see if we can find them. Where them gone? I go back inside? Yeah. Here come. Does anybody know we can use the spray? Look what I trade them. All I trade them eat up. And we just pick one and two of the bug them up on it, so we need to like get something to spray this tree. Can anybody recommend something? See trade them there, all over the tree. So yeah. You can recommend something. I would appreciate it.
Leo, look, Cherry.
Cherry, new addition to the house. Cherry, not too much noise, okay? Hey Cherry, Mila is here. No noise, okay? Be nice. Should do that again?
Just change diaper 2 times.
Maybe I change her too fast, my youth. Maybe you just start pooping, maybe that's the first one, if you care a little bit. Don't change her too fast. Who you get that from, Mila? Love poo poo. Mommy. I mean, what?
Alright. I'm gonna make some breakfast for the family.
And I wanted to make it, but Swaggy don't want me to
What?
make breakfast. Yeah, no, I'm gonna make it for you. Them say, oh, they can't make breakfast. I could
Let's
Swaggy
lay
this.
down on a side for now. He's going to puke.
You think for the turn on the ceiling fan, I
Oh, this isn't fine there.
after that your power fan for hospital. So we get rid of the fan.
Oh, just turn on the ceiling fan for now because it's cool. But you can open the door.
No, I'm afraid I must get them so early.
Oh, the other night of it.
Window them open. That's really good enough. Let me get some. See it from. I'm plugging mosquito or something already. See them? Look a portable one. Yeah, light mosquito can go. You're not protected. Just don't turn on the light when I say early. Kind of dark. So you giving me that first soda. If me not know what to do. She gets it. Not what? She's block it. She's working that Suda. Suda to sleep.
Put it back in the mouth, your hands are bleeding, you know?
Yeah, my man, wash my money. Not touch them.
Sure.
Yes, boss. Yes, boss.
Angela,
Hmm?
if you cannot touch the articles in the mouth, they say go to the one part. Try not to touch it.
Oh, the inside part of the
Yeah, if you have a drop, try to always hold that.
Alright.
Just, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
If the one that will drop on the floor, don't pick it up and give it back. Take another one.
Okay,
Take
boss.
in the case. I'm gonna leave it here. You're open now. So, you just have to chill together.
Alright, I'm chilling.
Sure, actually. Sure.
He's calm. Alright. Boys are up. You're getting ready to go back to the hospital. What's going on with dinner? I'm still on there, Suda. Me not only drinking milk.
And she eat porridge too.
Porridge? No. Only milk. When she gets bigger, she can get porridge.
And she get like 1 year old.
So what age you mean I get milk?
That one she
I'm only 6 months there. Oh, yeah.
Alright, man.
Okay.
Put it down. Lay down. Lay down by your hand.
Yeah, right?
Watch. Okay. Let go. Ah.
And that is in my hands.
See? Это мило. Привет. Скажи привет. Привет, это мило. Скажи доброе утро. My baby sister. My baby. My little baby. said no. I said no. Then very vibes. No. I'm so tired in the house.
She's a muffin girl.
Mittens. Mittens.
Then why does she look like a mitten?
Like a mitten? Manga, you hear that? You better say like a mitten. Is that true?
Yep.
Yeah. What's up? Doing, you know? Welcome home.
Bruh.
Happy to be home and out. Oh, so you want to leak of your mitten.
Too big.
Strange. I looked at the bird person, she was trying to. Alright, let's leave it alone.
Mama, now put her back to sleep.
Then you'll put her back to bed.
Put her back to the bed.
Okay.
Put her right over here.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Then I did. Mama, put back to sleep.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
It's me. That's me.
Are you?
My
Hey, Billy? Need some food. I don't have the food in the
Put
fridge,
back
but it's
her
cold.
to sleep.
I like, what me say into the hole? Yeah.
Mama, put back to sleep and come on, let's go, Mila. What?
I didn't say anything. You just been a good brother. That's nice.
What? What?
Anything.
What?
Just checking out Mina and Ronaldo.
What? Check out Mommy.
Anything.
What?
Yeah, so I have to get some light. Little candle. Candle. So I'm calling. I have to get them. This is to help Daniel in the night. So I'm actually in a room asleep. Yeah, he's actually in his room, but when everybody asleep and it's late in the night, out here is dark, I think I got him scared. And our bedroom have. Yeah? Let me explain why. Yeah, I put the candle in. Mommy put the candle in the hallway. So yeah, our room have the bathroom, master room, so you can walk in. Yeah, so I think that's why I'm love over here. I'm scared of the dark. So if you come out and room tonight with me, see look. Hey guys, thanks for watching the channel. So remember, you can get your books on Amazon. This is our book, Life with the Stevens, Finding Financial Independence. Just search Life with the Stevens or Era Stevens and you can find my autobiography on Amazon as well. Please check the link in the description if you are interested in booking our Airbnbs in Portmore and in Ocho Rios. So thanks again for watching, take care, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.